I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you, or kind of do like an unboxing of something that I received from a company called Missfox watches. I love it. I'm about to show you guys, but I just wanted to let you know that I received it last week and I've been messing with it, and I just think it's such a beautiful piece. But let me go ahead and turn the camera around so you guys can see it, and I'm going to show you details and give you like all the specs on it and stuff like that. And also, I think there is a discount right now, but I'll go ahead and link it in the description box below, and I'll put their website and everything and all their different products that they do sell on their website. But okay, let's go check it. Okay guys, so here is the box that I received it in, and I was so excited to get it when they contacted me. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Here it is right here. Let's take it out. Okay, so let me bring it close so you can see detail, and it is just so gorgeous. It's got the clasp in the back. I mean, it's just such a beautiful piece. And I am gonna have to take off a couple of links, but that isn't hard at all to do. So let's put it on and let me show you guys how beautiful it is. And then I'm gonna give you the specs on it. And I just love it because it goes, like, it literally brings out the skin, the tone of the color of my skin. So there it is. I think it's just a gorgeous piece. Look at that, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, so this watch, and look at the sides, like look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. Like I said, I'm gonna link the website in the description box below just so you can go check them out. So first of all, this watch is water resistance and shock resistance. And the band, if I'm not mistaken, it's 11 millimeter band length, 20 centimeter water resistant depth. And it has the 3-bar band, you know. And it is 18 karat gold plated. And it says it's never supposed to fade away, which is a good thing, because I do have a lot of custom jewelry that fades so fast and it never lasts. And this is classified as a fashion luxury casual item. Quartz wrist watches. And then they also have one on sale right now for $99. And then if you purchase now, then I think they're giving you like a free bangle gift with your purchase. And also, if you do join their mailing list, they'll send you a coupon book for 20% off with, you know, special monthly discounts. And I just love this watch. And they have different designs if you go check on their website, but this one I just thought was so beautiful. And it does have a little bit of weight to it, which is what I like. But like I said, I'm gonna have to take a couple of bands off. But that is it. I just wanted to hop on here and share that with you guys. And I'm gonna take some pictures so you guys can get a better view of it. I know it looks better when there's like a black background. It's so pretty. I just love the detail. But that's it, you guys. I love it. Let me know if you guys are interested, and like I said, I love it. I can't wait to get the links taken out so I can actually wear it out. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, if you're interested, comment down below, let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and link the website where you can go check out the different styles that they do carry. And like I said, right now they are having a sale on a couple of their watches as well, so go check them out, guys. I'm excited to be partnering with them. And I know if you do purchase one watch that they are giving away some bangles or something like that. But yeah, so Missfox watches, go check them out. Hey guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, definitely put them down in the comments down below. Like I said, I can't wait to start wearing it. I just have to wait to get the links taken off so it'll fit me better, but I really like it. It's such a really beautiful piece. And I can't wait to see. I'm gonna check out their bangles to see if they have any that I'm interested in, and I might purchase them just to, because I'm sure they go very well with the watch. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and always see you in the next video.